Hi, everyone. My name is Ola Musay. I am the CEO, co-founder of Scale3 Labs, and I'll be talking more about blockchain infrastructure and the product we're building. So who are we? We are Web3 blockchain infrastructure company building developer tools for Web3. So right now, everybody's building at the top layer, but we are the infrastructure layer, the nodes, the RPCs, right? If they don't work, staking have issues, your node have issues, your apps have issues, right? So we're building developer tools to make that easy for you, right? So if the infrastructure is not working, you can build on top of it, right? And that's the software we're building. So again, today we have 10 protocols. We're heavily on Sui. We've partnered with Sui from the beginning, but today we're adding more protocols. We have 10 protocols on our platform today, but the focus is on Sui. Again, who are we? I left Coinbase to build this company, and most of our team have 30 plus experience in infrastructure. So in Web2 infrastructure, now in Web3. So again, how do you manage your blockchains? How do you support your blockchains? Those are the things that we support for you and help you make sure you don't have to think about it, right? So that's a product we're building. So as I said, right, we're building developer tools for Web3, right? So, and that covers node monitoring, blockchain infrastructure, blockchain upgrades. Each protocol, including Sui, will have an average of 14 protocols per upgrades per year they have to do. And how do you go do it, right? You have to go to Discord, you have to go to Twitter, you have to go to the GitHub repo to understand what's going on before you can actually build a binary and go do the upgrade. So things that take you about 8 hours to do on our platform, you can do it in 20 minutes, even when you're driving in your car. You can respond and fix your issues, right? So that's kind of platform we're building. So we support wallet monitoring as well. We support any type of monitoring with regards to any APM type of monitoring. We provide that as well. So if you have a DApp, you want to monitor your DApp, you go on our platform, you add your wallet address, and we begin to monitor it for you as well. So again, we are also going into more AI intelligence monitoring now. So whenever you have an issue or we see a pattern of issues around your node and what you're monitoring, we can surface that for you very quickly using an anomaly detection, some logging platforms that we're building together. And this is very important. A good example, a partner blockchain had an issue maybe a month ago, and they were solving their problems via Google Docs, right? And that's not an engineering way to solve problems, right? You want to be able to look at the code, look at what the problem is, and respond very quickly. And that's the platform we are building. So again, we are defining what it means to have a Web3 infrastructure platform that sits beside you. So when you run your nodes, when you run your dApps, when they have issues, you can respond very quickly without having to worry about it. So that's kind of the platform we're building. I am going to go into the demo now, but while I do that, please scan the code, check out our website. You can sign up right now. It takes you about 3 minutes to sign up. You get one node to monitor and play with, right? And begin to understand what we're building today. So I'll go into the demo now. So one of our popular, this is our website, by the way, but one of our popular product you all might know is a Sui node checker. So Scale3 built the Sui node checker. So as you're building your nodes, you're trying to find out if you're at par. That's a product that we've built. But from our website, right, you can just, again, sign into the product. This is our launch product called Autopilot. Inside Autopilot, as soon as you sign up, you add your, so I'm going to go to the settings as you can see it. Obviously, we have more protocols, but for Sui, you go into settings. Let's see here. The connection is... I wanted to kind of walk you through the easy sign up, right? But there's two ways you can log into our platform. You either provide your URL for your public RPC node, or you can use our Grafana installation setup to add your node into our platform. And when you do, immediately we have some node samples here for you. So automatically we spin up a dashboard for you. This is not working today. Let's see. Just give me a second. I want to make sure you're able to get it correctly. It's always a demo that doesn't work, right? But I think the internet connection here is having problems. But let's go down here. Anyway, this is very disappointing. I'm gonna go here real quickly. So I'm just gonna improvise a little bit. Again, go to our website, check out Scale3 logging. We have 2 products today, Autopilot and Control Center. With Autopilot, this is what you get: individual monitoring of your nodes and network announcements. So whenever you have your node connect to a platform, there's a update happening that you need to respond to very quickly within our platform. You get that. If you are an L1 company and you want more insights and visibility into your network, we have the Control Center platform that you can leverage to do that as well. So that's kind of the product we provide. Again, who are our customers and what we're doing here? We have today, we're speaking to Microsoft, Alchemy, Blockdaemon, all this company that want to onboard to the platform, right? Because today, the hardest thing is when your node goes down, you're trying to find out if it's a node issue or a network issue. And if it's a node issue, how do you quickly respond to it, right? So that's the product we're building. That's why we're supporting the industry with this. Today, I want to announce to you all, Misten signed a 3-year contract with us to provide 1,500 nodes to the SWE ecosystem. So SWE will determine who gets that. And if you get it, you get it for 3 years on our product. So for 3 years, you don't have to worry about how your platform is running, how you need to do upgrades, because SWE covers that for you. So the SWE team and the SWE Foundation team will let you know what that means to individual people that will get that infrastructure. But again, when you're looking at how you monitor your nodes, how to support your nodes, how to upgrade your nodes, staking nodes, RPC nodes, how to go monitor your wallets, how to go monitor your contracts on your that you've written on your dApps, is our platform that you use to leverage all that, right? So any questions before I go? Great. Thank you all.